Alright, so this is a random Chinese-made little handheld emulation uh, system, and it has a problem with the analog stick. I think it's a left one. So I'm gonna check it out, see if it's an easy fix or some kind of like broken plastic. If it's broken plastic, probably not gonna have luck finding like the right um, replacement for it, because I have no clue. What part they're using, whatever. So, all right, so here it is. Um, you can already see the right stick's fine. Left stick, it gets stuck in one direction there when you go left. I'm worried that it's just like a snapped piece of plastic that's like guiding it, and then gluing it together is probably not going to be a great fix. Anyways, yeah, it feels like something mechanical, not uh not like gunked up. So probably not going to be able to fix this, but I'm going to try anyway. Maybe something's out of the track or something, and it could be popped right back in. We'll see. All right, so start opening this. Yep, comes right off. Oh, zoom in a little bit. Got to get the board out of here. Um, looks like maybe this screw. Let's see if the thumbstick just comes off. Yep, nice. Probably should have checked that first. Maybe I could just see it, what's going on in here. No, it looks fine from this view. Try the analog stick. Okay, flip up the little clasp on the back. Oh, there it is. Didn't have to unscrew anything else but the analog stick. Okay. Yeah, that's the major problem right there. Okay, well, I'll just put the screws back. All right, so I'm just going to set this aside. This is all I'm looking at right here. Okay. That's not going to focus. All right. So I'm going to have to get this casing off if I can. Get this under there and like kind of wedge it up slowly. Okay, now it's straight up and down. Let's take this out, hopefully. Oh, I have to lift this part. Clasp right there. Should come off. Okay. There's that. That's not the problem. Okay, it does matter which way this goes. This plastic piece has to hit that button. Okay. There's a spring under there. Now, what is the problem? Okay. Moves this way, fine. I'll probably just take the little button out for now. Oh. think I already see the problem unless this happened when I took it apart, but there's a little plastic guide with that's moving this. This side is out. You can see the little plastic and the nub. It's outside of it. Now, I don't know if it doesn't look broken. Let's see if I can maybe I can just reseat it. And that's all it needs. If I could pick this thing up, it's so tiny. Does it snap in place? Kind of. Okay. Hey. I think that was it. I'll just put it back together. See how it works. Okay. All right, check it out. All directions, snaps back to center. I'm really happy it wasn't just a broken piece of plastic. That might have been the end of this. Cool. I'm gonna press this down slowly and put it back together. Oh, I knew it. Yeah. God, this thing is so weak. Not meant to be taken off. Broke two of them. Okay. I hope it's held down well enough with just this little clasp. We will find out. I mean, it's gonna be fine. I don't even think I need to really show you. That was just pretty basic, and I didn't show it, in game before, but yeah, there it is. Pretty simple. Yep, cool.